Hello guys, this is Sundaram and I am going to discuss about the Article 16 of the Indian Constitution. Article 16 of the Indian Constitution defines that equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Under Clause 1 of the Article 16 defines there shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens in matters relating to employment or appointment to any office under the state. And Clause 2 of the Article 16 defines that no citizen shall, on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, descent, place of birth, residence, or any of them, be ineligible for or discriminated against in respect of any employment or office under the state. Clause 3 of the Article 16 defines that nothing in this article shall prevent Parliament from making any law prescribing in regard to a class or classes of employment or appointment to an office under the government of or any local or other authority within a state or union territory, any requirement as to residence within that state or union territory prior to such employment or appointment. Clause 4 of the Article 16 defines that nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for the reservation of appointments or posts in favor of any backward class of citizens which, in the opinion of the state, is not adequately represented in the services under the state. Clause 4a of the Article 16 defines that nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for reservation in the matters of promotion with consequential seniority to any class or classes of post in the services under the state in favor of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes which, in the opinion of the state, are not adequately represented in the services under the state. Clause 4b of the Article 16 defines that nothing in this article shall prevent the state from considering any unfilled vacancies of a year which are reserved for being filled up in that year in accordance with any provision for reservation made under Clause 4 or Clause 4a as a separate class of vacancies to be filled up in any succeeding year or years, and such class of vacancies shall not be considered together with the vacancies of the year in which they are being filled up for determining the ceiling of 50% reservation on total number of vacancies of that year. Clause 5 of the Article 16 defines that nothing in this article shall affect the operation of any law which provides that the incumbent of an office in connection with the affairs of any religious or denominational institution or any member of the governing body thereof shall be a person professing a particular religion or belonging to a particular denomination. Notes: where the appointment was secured on the basis of forged documents, writ petition challenging the appointment was filed 16 years after the appointment by a person who was not contestant for the post. Considering fact that appointments were made for decades back and appointees have also been promoted, it was refused to disturb the appointment. It was decided in the case of Pratap Singh versus Bhajan Lal, AIR 2002, SC 3385. Where the recruitment rule gives power to appointing authority to vary quota for promotees from time to time. Under this circumstance, the variation can exceed the maximum percentage of quota fixed for promotees. It was decided under the case of Indian Railway Class 2nd Officer Fedden versus Anil Kumar Singhai, AIR 2002, SC 3314. Then thanks for watching my video friends. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. Thanks a lot.